nyo ba iba na magical trips na puno ng neon lights? Futuristic ang atake na pwedeng-pwede sa bata man o matanda. Tara na at magbiyahe papuntang Metro Manila para bisitahin ang pinakaunang digital interactive playground sa bansa. Tara na, mga katipid trips!
Ito na ata ang pinakamasayang trip sa lahat ng napuntahan namin. Real talk, and here's why. Aesthetic at maraming neon lights. Digital at futuristic na mga laro. Pang bata, pero mag-enjoy din ang mga tito at tita dito. Nakakahinayang talaga dahil huli na nang nalaman namin meron palang ganito sa Metro Manila. Kaya samahan nyo kaming subukan lahat yan para patunayang worth it ang biyahe mo papunta sa pinakaunang digital interactive playground in the Philippines. Ano, biyahe na tayo?
Hello! Welcome to PlayLab. This is a physical digital playground that serves educational entertainment. We are the first in the country that fused multimedia content into indoor playground activities, providing with a unique immersive educational experience. The interactions are in the form of typical playground activities like sliding, climbing, jumping, throwing, drawing. It means less screen time for kids, and the parents also get to play with the kids.
May 14 interactive installations ang naghihintay na parang pumasok ka sa loob ng video game kung saan pwede mag-drawing. I-scan para mapunta sa digital aquarium, tumalon-talon at apakan ng mga meteors, at i-relieve ang stress sa pagbato para matalo ang mga aliens. Pwede mo ring ma-enjoy ang fantasy water flow, butterfly world, umakyat sa rainbow tree, tap-tap wall, at ang interactive slide na sumikat sa ibang bansa gaya ng Singapore at Japan.
Our main goal is to make Filipino kids, mainly 3 to 10-year-olds, and their parents experience the most modern indoor playground available in major cities abroad. Now they don't need to go out of the country to experience them. Our attractions here are top tier. It is also our hope that we are able to educate kids while having fun, and they are able to appreciate the value of technology at a very young age.
45 pesos lang ang entrance. Yes, tama ka nang narinig dahil 45 pesos lang ang entrance fee mula July 18 hanggang August 17 para sa walk-in at balik regular rates naman pagkatapos ng promo. Open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. kaya mahaba-haba ang oras para magsaya. Pero huwag kang feeling ninja dahil bawal ang nakapaa ha. Masaya, makabago at syempre, tipid na trip. Kaya laging tandaan na hindi dapat mahal mag-enjoy. Ako si Nico, ang tipid na biyahero ng Tipid Trips para sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.